What is a Git repository and how does it work? Imagine working on a project where every change you make is saved automatically, so you can go back in time and see what was done. That's what a Git repository does. It is a special folder that keeps all your project files along with a detailed history of every change made to those files. This makes managing code much easier, especially when working with a team. A Git repository has two main parts. First, the actual project files, like code, images, or documents. Second, the metadata that records all the changes, called commits. Think of a commit as a snapshot of your project at a specific moment. It captures what the project looked like then, so you can review or revert to that version later. There are two types of Git repositories. The first is a local repository stored on your computer. It has three key areas. The working directory is where you edit files. The staging area is where you prepare changes before saving them. And the head points to the latest commit in your current branch. The second is a remote repository hosted on a server like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. It acts as a shared space for your team to collaborate, back up work, and connect with other tools. Git is a distributed system, meaning every developer has a full copy of the entire repository, including its history. This allows you to work offline and later sync your changes with others. You can create branches to work on different features or fixes without affecting the main project. When your work is ready, you merge those branches back into the main codebase. A typical workflow starts by initializing a repository in your project folder. Then, you make changes to files and stage them to prepare for a commit. Committing saves a snapshot of your work. You can push your commits to the remote repository to share with others. When others make changes, you pull updates to keep your local copy current. Creating branches helps you develop new features separately, and merging combines those changes into the main project. In backend development, Git repositories are essential for managing server-side code, APIs, database scripts, and configuration files. They help teams work together smoothly, track every update, and keep the project organized. Using Git makes it easy to see what changed, when it changed, and who made the change. This transparency helps prevent errors and makes deploying updates safer. To sum up, a Git repository is a powerful tool that keeps your code organized, safe, and easy to share. It supports flexible workflows, helps track progress, and makes collaboration straightforward. Whether working alone or with a team, Git repositories are the backbone of modern backend development.